Hello students, in this video I will tell you about the complex number, but before that I want to tell you that I have made some more videos on complex number, that is part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4. Today it may be the concluding part because I am going to tell you about the how to find the square root of the complex number as well as cube root of unity. So I have taken the reference of the book Understanding ISC Mathematics by ML Agrawal, class 11th, and in this is the chapter 5, and square root is the topic. How to find the square root of a plus ib, or you can say x plus iy, जो भी लेना है, तो of this complex number. How to find? If you have the complex number a plus ib, so what will be the square root? Let under root a plus ib is equal to something you will get, and as you know, when you find the square root, जैसे कि पहले भी बताया है कि in all the operation, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction, in every you will get the result as the complex number. Here also that if you have a complex number and you have to find the square root of complex number, then also you will get a complex number. So square root of this complex number, suppose x plus iy. Let, and then taking square both the sides, taking square both sides, what you will get? A plus ib is equal to the whole square, so it will be x square plus I square y square and plus 2ixy, and I square is equal to minus 1, so it will be minus y square in one bracket plus 2ixy a plus ib. This. Then you can compare the real part from the left and the right hand side. A is equal to means this and b is equal to 2xy, means on comparing x square minus y square is equal to a and 2xy is equal to b. If a and b are the real number, because suppose that 2 plus 3i, 5 plus 6i, 5 minus 6i, anything, then in place of a and b you will get the digit. And can you solve these two equations with the help of the this x square minus y square is equal to a and 2xy is equal to b? Yes, you can. And after finding the x and y, you will put in equation 1. This is the square root of the complex number. Suppose you are getting x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. So 2 plus 3i is the square root of complex number. Now I take the question here. Question number 1, exercise 5.5. Find the square root of minus 7 plus 24i and verify your result. Minus 7 plus 2i या minus 3 minus 4i, every questions are same. मतलब कोई भी 1, 2, 3, 4 सब में तुमको एक ही चीज करनी है. So I will tell you the example, one question, and then you can do. Minus 7 plus 24i. Let under root minus 7 plus 24i is equal to x plus iy. Means this is the complex number, take the square root of this and x plus iy. The square root of this complex number is this. This is the equation number 1. Now taking square both the sides, so what you will get? Minus 7 plus 24i इज इक्वल टू एक्स स्क्वायर. अब माइनस वाई स्क्वायर यू कैन राइट डायरेक्टली क्योंकि आई स्क्वायर वाई स्क्वायर मीन्स एंड प्लस 2i and in this the I square is equal to minus 1 you can write. Now comparing x square minus y square is equal to minus 7 and 2xy is equal to 24. This. So also you can write 2 12s, so xy is equal to 12. This is the equation 3, 2 and equation 3. After getting the equation 2 and equation 3, can you find the values of x and y? Yes, you can put anything, any value. Means suppose that from here y is equal to 12 by x, put in this and solve simultaneously. So putting y is equal to 12 by x in equation 2 in this. So you will get x square minus 12 by x whole square is equal to minus 7. Now taking square and after then take LCM. पहले स्क्वायर करें फिर LCM. तो x square minus 144 by x square is equal to minus 7. Take LCM. It will be x square is equal to minus 7 and then multiply. Cross multiplication, as you know, this is x to the power 4 minus 144 is equal to minus 7x. This 7x square you take in this side plus 7x square minus 144 is equal to 0. अब इसको factorize करना है. Can you factorize it? By simple way or by using Shidhracharya, anything. So अगर हम 144 के factors लेते हैं तो 2 7s 2 36s 2 18s 2 9s 2 to the 4 4 to the 8 to the 16 16 minus 9 7. Yes. So x to the power 4 plus 16 x square minus 9x square minus 144 is equal to 0. X square is common, x square plus 16 minus 9 is common, x square plus 16. And then x square plus 16, then x square minus 9 is equal to 0. These are the required steps. And then using zero product rule is equal to 0 or x square minus 9 is equal to 0. Means simple factorization. Then x square plus 16 is equal to 0. X square is equal to minus 16. Then x is equal to minus under root 16. Whether it is possible? No. This is not possible. Why? Because x and y are the real numbers. X and y. किसी भी कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर में जब हम ऐसे लिखते हैं तो x and y belongs to real number होता है. क्योंकि I जुड़ने के बाद this will change into the imaginary number. तो ये not possible. Now and x square minus 9 is equal to 0. So x square is equal to 9 and x is equal to plus minus 3. These are the numbers and thereafter you find the value of y. अब x की जगह y is equal to तुमको मालूम है कि 12 by x था, तो at x is equal to 3 and minus 3, तो y will be 4 and minus 4. So what will be the answer? Means the square root of the minus 7 plus 24i. So you will put square root of minus 7 plus 24i. सबसे पहले इसमें r लेंगे. क्यों? क्योंकि यहाँ पे दो स्क्वायर रूट लिख लेंगे, एक तो ये वैल्यू और एक ये. तो 3 plus 4i and minus 3 minus 4i. These are the square root of the complex number. तो इस तरह से हम आंसर को निकाल सकते हैं. तो इस तरह कई सारे क्वेश्चंस हैं, इनको आप कर लीजिएगा. with the same method you will apply in every question, same method. Now the next topic is cube root of unity. Cube root of unity. What is the meaning of this cube root of unity? In cube root, as you know, x cube minus 1 is equal to 0. So x cube is equal to 1 or x is equal to 1 to the power 1 by 3. This is called cube root of unity. But when you simplify this, means factorize it, so it will miss the x is cube root of unity, you can say in this case. क्योंकि इधर अगर cube root of unity है तो ये भी cube root of unity. Then apply the a cube minus b cube formula, so you will get this is equal to 0. One factor is x minus 1 is equal to 0, and the second factor x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. ये x is equal to 1 दे रहा है तो क्या ये देगा? You can factorize it by using Shridharacharya formula. तो इसको अब हम factorize करते हैं. One value you are the x is equal to 1. Other way. So using Shridharacharya, so you will get minus 1 plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2. So you will get minus 1 plus, is this equation? ये क्यों? क्योंकि a is equal to 1 है, b is equal to 1 and c is equal to 1. So minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So you will get this such like this minus 3 upon 2. So there are the two values, one with plus sign and one with minus sign. Means if cubic equation is there, तो three values मिलेंगे. अब ये three values मिलेंगे. एक 1 x is equal to 1, x is equal to ये और x is equal to minus के साथ. अब ये minus root 3 है, ये root of minus 3 है, तो it means this is the imaginary value. You can write this one as plus minus I root 3. I have explained in the first part of the video how to write this part. This is the cube root of unity also, क्योंकि x है. This one is known as a cube root of unity. इससे represent करते हैं जो x है. This is the omega. ऐसे इसको बोलते हैं omega. This is the cube root of unity. Cube root of unity means first equation जो x cube minus 1 is equal to 0 है, तो x cube यानी x की जगह ओमेगा रख दें, तो it will come as omega cube is equal to 1. This is the first one. Second one, अगर हम इसमें वैल्यू रखते हैं तो that will be the, अगर हम इसको सपोज करो कि x is equal to minus 1 plus I under root 3 by 2 and x is equal to minus 1 minus I under root 3 by 2. These are the two values. अगर दोनों को एक को स्क्वायर करें, if you take the square of this one, you will get this one. If you take the square of this one, you will get this one. मतलब ये एक दूसरे की स्क्वायर. It means the omega one value is omega and the other value is omega square. एक ओमेगा लिखते हैं, एक ओमेगा स्क्वायर. So in that case, the relation you will get in the cube root of unity, the first relation is omega cube is equal to 1 and second relation omega plus omega square plus 1 is equal to 0. एक जो तुम्हारा x minus 1 into x plus x square plus 1 is equal to 0 से, so these are the two relations and these two relations you have to apply in this exercise. Especially you have to what you have to learn. एक ये अगर तुम्हारा ओमेगा है तो ये तुम्हारा ओमेगा स्क्वायर होगा. If you are taking this one as omega, then this you will take as omega square. और ये जो रिलेशन है ओमेगा प्लस ओमेगा स्क्वायर प्लस 1 is equal to 0, in this you can write as like this also. इसको इतना भी लिख सकते हैं, इसको इतना भी लिख सकते हैं और -1 भी हो सकता है। तो ओमेगा प्लस ओमेगा स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू -1 आल्सो। मींस दीज आर द रिलेशन which you will use in this exercise. Any bigger power of omega, suppose you have omega to the power 92 and you have to change in the simplest form. So first you will change this 92 in the factor of 3, multiple of 3. तो 3 से इसको डिवाइड कर, जैसे i की पावर 4 में बताया था, इसको क्या लिख सकते हैं, ओमेगा क्यूब टू दी पावर 3 3 जा 9 एंड 30 मतलब 90। अब बचा कितना, तो ओमेगा स्क्वायर इज हियर, ओमेगा क्यूब इज इक्वल टू 1, तो यू विल गेट ओनली ओमेगा स्क्वायर। तो एनी बिगर पावर यू कैन राइट इन द सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म 1 ओमेगा एंड ओमेगा स्क्वायर। Therefore, I have one more example. Omega to the power 596 and 3 divide by 3 this one, 3 ones are 3, 2 3 nines are 27, 2 3 8s are 24. Then again omega square, the 2 is remainder is 2, तो ये omega square है। कहीं पे ओमेगा भी आ सकता है, अगर ये 5 होता तो ओमेगा आ जाता है, अगर ये सब 4 होता तो ओमेगा टू द पावर 0, यानी आंसर इज 1। तो बाय दिस वे यू कैन कैलकुलेट द बिगर पावर, यू कैन चेंज इनटू द लेसर पावर। नाउ दिस एक्सरसाइज बेस्ड ऑन द ओमेगा एंड ओमेगा स्क्वायर, ओमेगा क्यूब। सो एक्सरसाइज 5.6, like question number 2, if alpha and beta are the complex cube root of unity, then prove that. Exercise 5.6, alpha and beta are the cube roots of unity. If anywhere the other than the omega, the variables are given as the cube root of unity, you will take, let the one is omega and other is omega square, then it will be easy. Then prove that 1 plus alpha, 1 plus beta, 1 plus alpha square, 1 plus beta square. Prove that 1 plus alpha, 1 plus beta, 1 plus alpha square, 1 plus beta square is equal to 1. So put the value 1 plus omega, 1 plus omega square, 1 plus omega alpha to the omega to omega square and 1 plus omega to the power 4. Okay, in left hand side. Then 1 plus omega, in place of this what you can write, minus omega square, जैसे अभी बताया रिलेशन से। In this minus omega, in this minus omega, and this one you can write as 1 plus omega cube into omega. तो it will change into the omega only, because omega, तो रिलेशन हम लिख सकते हैं कि कौन कौन से रिलेशन, ओनली 2 रिलेशंस आर देयर, ये बस रिलेशन यूज हो रहे हैं। तो माइनस ओमेगा स्क्वायर माइनस ओमेगा, तो क्या मिलके हो जाएगा, ओमेगा क्यूब इनटू माइनस ओमेगा, अभी इसको उधर मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, 1 प्लस ओमेगा एंड 1 प्लस ओमेगा, दिस ओमेगा क्यूब इज इक्वल टू 1 माइनस ओमेगा and this minus omega square, so it will be omega cube again, means 1, so is equal to right hand side. Mean जो भी relation है, बस only 2 relations are there, you have to use. It is very simple. Like question number 3 or question number 2, the fourth part, prove that 2 plus 5 omega plus 2 omega square, 2 plus 5 omega plus 2 omega square to the power 6 is equal to 729. This you have to show. तो कैसे शो करेंगे, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, वेरी सिंपल, जहां पे you can this see, you can see this 2 and 2 omega square, 2 is common, 1 plus omega square plus 5 omega power 6. Then you can write 1 plus omega square as minus omega using the relation this power 6. Then minus 2 omega plus 5 omega, 3 omega power 6. And this 3 to the power 6 omega to the power 6, because this is the multiple of 3, so you can write as 3 to the power 6 means 729. Simple. So by this way you can calculate the value, and it's very simple manner. Only two relations are there. And these two relations you can find the answer. Some more questions. 4 also you have to multiply only and you will get answer 4, 5, 6. 5 may be alpha is equal to omega, beta is equal to omega square. In 6 also p is equal to omega, q is equal to omega square. So by this way you can get the value. In 7 show that x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3a cube plus b cube if x is equal to, y is equal to and z is equal to. फिर उसमें अल्फा और बीटा की वैल्यू है, तो अल्फा इज इक्वल टू ओमेगा एंड बीटा इज इक्वल टू ओमेगा क्यूब. तो इस तरह से इसमें ले सकते हैं. जिसे क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 है, इफ x इज इक्वल टू a प्लस b ओमेगा c ओमेगा स्क्वायर, y is equal to a omega plus b omega square plus c, and z is equal to a omega square plus b plus c omega. Then find the value of x square plus y square plus z square but upon yz plus upon xz और प्लस ये सब अलग अलग एक्स वाई. दिस यू हैव टू फाइंड. हाउ टू फाइंड? सबसे पहले एक चीज बताना है कि एक रिलेशन तुम लोगों को पता होगा कि इफ x प्लस वाई प्लस z इज इक्वल टू 0, देन x क्यूब प्लस वाई क्यूब प्लस z क्यूब इज इक्वल टू 3xyz. दैट यू नो. यस. इफ एंड in this case if you add these three equations, अगर हम इन तीन इक्वेशन को ऐड कर दें तो देखो क्या मिलता है. तो on adding equation 1, 2 and 3, what you will get? X plus y plus z. A is common,